Hello. Uh, this is today's Tàijíquán Tip. I'm Stephen Watson. I'm here to offer a tip, and hopefully you are here to offer a tip, and then we'll both receive a tip. I'm thinking about when we notice our foot is incorrectly positioned. So generally, I'm kind of thinking here, if my feet are meant to be like this, I find my foot is like this, just as an example. Um, so my foot is out of position as I'm practicing my form. And what I often notice is that when people find their foot out of position, they want to correct it. They're in class, they're studying, they're students. That's great. So let's say, for example, I find my feet out of position here. They're meant to be here, as an example. Like they're here and they're meant to be here. And what they'll do is they'll say, hey, let's say my left foot is too close to my right. I'll move my left foot. Of course, it's equally true that my right foot's too close to my left, so I could have moved my right. Um, and so when we notice a foot is in the incorrect place, just before you correct it, take a couple moments and say, which foot last moved to get me here? And that's likely the source of the error. Quite often, I'll see people move one foot so they arrive at the correct stance, but they're kind of establishing that the error is in the foot that did not make an error. So you notice you're out of position, out of angle, out of proportion, just out of your stance to some extent. Maybe it's a very small correction. Don't just reflexively switch it. Take a moment and think, how did I get here? And if it was the placing of the left foot a moment ago, try and make the correction with the left foot. So it gets another repetition of practicing well instead of having done the incorrect step and then sticking with it and making the other adjust to it. So enjoy that. Thank you for spending all this time with my little offerings and me. Thank you.